Hello viewers, welcome to my channel LS4B. Today I will discuss how to categorize cloud data in your organization. When critical business data gets lost because of misbehaved categories, it becomes obvious to the latest when companies lose their most important asset. Because a data breach, for instance one involving personal data, cloud lead to hefty penalties under the General Data Protection Regulation. But if there is any sensitive information such as company secrets, supplier contracts, or other confidential involved, then they must be properly secured. Cloud computing has become an important part of business operation for companies operating under state regulation. Data categorization can protect against damage. If critical company data gets lost due to mislabeled categories, then it becomes available. Because a data breach, for instance, one involving personal data, cloud lead to hefty penalty under the General Data Protection. For most companies, the main used to classify the data into categories is whether they intend to use the data themselves. There are, however, some additional things to consider when choosing between these two types of lanes. Here we explain how to use data classification for business purposes. Here is how to categorize your company data. To start off, set up some rules regarding data classification. Ideally, this should be brief and concise and made known to everyone involved in using the data. Among other things, you can state what goals are you trying to achieve by categorizing these articles, which categories are included in each section. Differentiating between different type of data depends upon which certain are used for differentiation. You can define rules and responsibilities for each user account by setting up different group within active. For example, one group cloud be called and another. It is important to take legal requirements into account when calculating cost for an investment project. It may be better to categorize both new and old data than just new data alone. However, if you choose to classify only new data, then it would probably take longer for you to complete the task. Depending on whether you are looking at sales figure, profits, expenses, etc. The type of classification system used depends on the kind of business you run. Depending on the type of data involved, there may be